Hello everyone. Today let's look at custom events, another important aspect of bubble development. Like styles and reusables, custom events are the reusables of workflows. That is, create a workflow and call it multiple times from other workflows. This can be created at a page level, reusable element level, or even backend workflows. Let's see how to create them and how do we use them. In today's example, we want to show the pop-up for making the payment when the user has signed up, and also when they sign in the next time. If they haven't made the payment, we will show the same pop-up. The example shown here is a simple one, but imagine if you had to do multiple steps. So let's look at it. I'll add two buttons, one for sign up and another for sign in. Now the normal method would be to go and sign the user up and then show the pop-up. We have not added the pop-up, so let me add a pop-up. Let's say payment to be done here. To be done here. So we add a workflow here where we say show pop-up. Similarly, we would go to sign in and we'll sign the user up, log the user in, right? And then the next step would be to show the pop-up, and this needs to be done only if the current user's payment done is no. Is no. Okay, we've added payment done as yes or no in the user data type. So we'll do it this way normally, right? But using a custom method. Okay, check for payment, and you can send any input parameters if you want. This can be of type user, or it can be of any data types that you have. Okay, now that we are using current user, we don't need this. So here what I'll do is I'll firstly show a pop-up where say payment is yet to be done. We will to the payment pop-up. Okay, and then I'll show the pop-up. From here what we'll do is instead of showing this, we will say custom event, trigger a custom event. Since it is just one custom event that we have here, okay, it will show directly. But let's say I add one more custom event, which is test. Then when I go to trigger a custom event, this will be blank. We'll have to select the one which we want to trigger. Now the advantage of using a custom event is that if you want to make any change, okay, you just do it at one place. Now this is just two simple steps which we could directly add it over here, but imagine you have some 10 or 12 steps in this workflow which you need to add it over here and also here. And worst case, if you want to add it at multiple other places, you'll have to copy paste all of this actions everywhere you want. But instead, you use a custom event where you add all the workflows that is required and you just call this custom event wherever necessary. It's as simple as that. Now this can also be used in backend workflows, and to do that we'll first have to enable the backend workflows in settings API, and then we go to backend workflow. We can have a custom event here as well. Okay, likewise, we can add any input parameters that we want, and from any of the workflows, we can call this custom event, right? So it's as simple as that. And that's exactly why I call it as reusables of workflows. I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions, please let us know at support@red7.com and we'll create a video tutorial for that. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.